Let's enjoy each other's company. We're in this together. Let's begin. We're going to begin with a quick warm-up. Just walk in place. Having those arms down by your side, we're going to have the palms up and palms down as we step in place, rotating at the forearm, feeling that movement in the shoulder joint as well. Let's take those arms up above on each side, warming up that entire whole body. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Let's go one more on each side. Excellent. Let's bring the shoulders up and down as we step in place. Always remembering to breathe, to make sure those shoulders are down, back, and relaxed. Focusing on that good posture stance. We're going to slow that walk down, hands on the waist. Very good. Have those feet shoulder width apart. We're going to do those hip circles. Circle the other way. Very good. Let's tap the toes. Just alternating right and left. Feeling that rhythm, that beat with your step. Being aware of your body, how it's moving in place. Let's do those heels. Again, feeling that rhythm. Being aware of your body, moving. Can you feel that spirit coming alive, that happiness in your heart? I'm very blessed to have you here with me today, exercising with me. Very good. Let's do those hip bumps. Just bump that hip out, then tuck in that pelvis as you come inward towards that central stance. We're going to begin this quick warm-up. Before long, it'll be over. And then we'll get right into that walking. There's different movement patterns. Excellent. Let's walk. We're going to start off with that jumping jack. It's a half jack. We're going to have both arms out to the side and down as we alternate, bringing that right leg out to the side and in, and then that left leg out to the side and in. Let's begin. Just tapping the toe. Again, going at your own pace. Making sure that tummy is tight. Contracting those abdominal muscles. Very good. Let's walk. Next, we're going to do the same side. As that right arm comes out, that right leg's going to come out. Both are going to come in. Then we'll repeat that same movement on the left side. The left arm will come out as that left leg comes out. Both will come in at the same time. Follow along. It's more complicated to say than it is to do. A fun variation of the jumping jack. Let's walk. Up next, still focusing on that jumping jack. The right arm comes out as that left leg comes out to the side. Both come in. Then that left arm comes out. That right leg comes out. Then both come back in. Let's begin. Alternating mind-body awareness. Very good. Let's walk. Let's pick up that pace a little bit. Always go at your own pace. Let's slow it down. And fast. And slow. Slowing it down. We're going to do those same jumping jack sequence like we did in the beginning. Starting with that left side first. Let's begin. Again, it's slow and controlled, still walking, still stepping. Just bringing a little bit of age and style, variety style fitness into the workout. Let's walk. Remember what's next? It's same side. We're going to start on that left side with that half jumping jack. Then we'll go to the right side. Let's begin. Very good. Let's walk. And finally, we have that alternating half jack. Starting with that left arm out to the side and that right leg out to the side. Both come in. Then the opposites for that left side. That left leg and right arm. Let's begin. Excellent. Go back to that walk. Pick up that pace. Really pump those arms at your side. Feel that good positive energy radiating from you. Let's slow it down. One more time. Go fast. Pick up that pace at your comfort level. And slow. Very good. We're going to do some moguls. So go slow step. Stepping in place. Very good. We're going to do a little bit of squat. That skiing motion, like you're downhill skiing with the arms. Back is nice and straight. Very good. Let's walk. We're going to do that mogul downhill ski on the left side. Keeping the knees in line with the ankle as you gently squat down, having a flat back. Let's begin. Those arms are in unison. Slight bend in the knee. Very good. Let's walk. Just a good solid stance. Walking in place. We're going to alternate doing that traditional mogul to the right side and then the left side. Follow along. We're going to have that nice squat position stance, flat back, slightly forward with your upper body. Just follow along. Stepping, rotating. Transferring that weight. Keeping those feet in alignment. Very good. Let's go back to that walk. And slow it down. Next, we're going to do some star kicks out to the side with the legs. Bringing the arms up like you're a superstar, which you are. Keep stepping in place as we transition to those star kicks. Bring the arms up, just kick out and kick out. Standing on that one leg. Being present in the movement. Focusing on that presence, not perfection. Leading with the heel of the foot as it goes out to the side. Keeping that toe slightly down. Very good. Let's walk. Let's pick up that pace again. Really move those arms by your side. Stepping in place. We're going to do those start kicks starting with that left side first. Maintaining that good posture. Let's begin. Excellent. Let's walk. Just a slow walk, normal pace walk. Let's pick up the pace. Pump those arms out your side. Give me a nice smile on your face. You're doing a great job. Let's slow it down. Next, we're going to do some hamstring kicks, just pushing back with the arms as you bend the knee and bring that foot behind. Again, standing on one leg aids in increasing and improving your balance, your stability. Go for that walk. Let's pick up that pace again. And we'll slow it down. Stepping in place. Let's do those hamstring curls with that left side first, pushing out with the hands. Excellent job. Let's go back to that walk. Energizing physically, mentally, and spiritually. Bringing out that inner beauty and strength, that age and style, active living, being aware of you, of that beautiful spirit inside that just radiates outward.